Hello friends, welcome back. This is Mustafa and you are watching my tutorial. In this video we will learn about template and template URL in Angular component. So what exactly is that? Before going into this documentation, let's move to Visual Studio Code. So when you create a component, you get a structure like this. So this is template URL. And apart from this template URL, we also have a metadata called template. So we will see the difference between template URL and template. Let's flip to documentation. So we have two ways of writing template, or you can say HTML in Angular. So the first one is inline and the other one is external template. So in the inline, what we do, we write HTML directly in the component. So as you can see here, in the template, we are writing HTML directly. So here there are a couple of ways of writing a template directly in the HTML. We can use single quote, as you can see highlighted in the yellow, and we can also use double quotes. So there is no differences between the single and the double quotes. You can use both of them. But now think of a scenario where we have a multiple lines of quotes. If you see this example, we have multiple H4. So what is happening here? We are using, see, double quotes here. See, we are using double quotes and we are getting error. See, this red line is indicating error. So why this error? In Angular, if you have more than one line, you will use backticks. So this is the syntax of backticks that you will get just below the escape button and below the tab button in your keyboard. So see, we have the multiple lines of code and now we are using these backticks, and see, we are not getting any errors. The code is same, and we are not getting any error. Now let's come to template URL, that is called external template. So in the external template, what happens? We give the URL, the path of the external file, and here we use template URL. So if you compare this one, if we use internal template and inline template, you can say we give template, but if we use external file, we give template URL. And this is the path, app.component.html, and whatever the HTML we want to write, we will write it here. So now let's flip to Visual Studio, and there we will understand everything by practical. So before understand this template URL, let's understand templates. So I will remove this one. And I will write something like in the H1, hello world. Let's run this application, npm start. Now this application is, so let's open this application in this browser. Now you can see that application, the hello world, this is coming from this template. So let me modify something, hello world updated. And now here you can see that hello world updated is coming from this template. So in the same way, if you want, we can use double quotes. And if you save this file, you will see that we are still able to see the same output. At the same time, if you want to use backticks, you can use backticks also for the single line. So I am using backticks at this point of time. And save this file and see the output. Control F5 and see we are able to see the same output that is written here. So now let me summarize. So in the template, if the content is of the single line, you can use single quote, double quotes, or backticks. You can use single quote, double quotes, or backticks. But let's assume that we have HTML that span into multiple lines. So we have single quotes here instead of backticks. Now this HTML is going to be in the multiple lines. So see, we are getting error, right? We are getting error. Why? Because we are using single quote. Even if we use double quotes, we will get error. Just remember that if we have HTML code in more than one line, we will use backticks. So let's use backticks here, and you will see that error has gone. So we have to close. See, we have started here and we closed here. When you save this file, you will see that you are still able to see the same output. Just remember that when you have multiple lines of HTML, you will use backticks instead of single quote or double quotes. Now let's see example of template URL. So let me cut this code. I will put somewhere in the notepad, and instead let me use template URL, and I will give path of the HTML file. And this is the app component, so I will give name of this file. You need to give a colon, right? So if you don't give colon, you will get error. So save this application now, compiled successfully. If you open up this application, hello world example. So see this hello world example, this is coming from here. In our template, we had only hello world update, but this example, it is coming from HTML. Let me write something, mytutorial.com, and save this file, and you can see that it is coming from HTML template. And what is the difference between template and template URL? So as a working point of view, as a performance point of view, there is no difference between template and the template URL. This template is advised when you have a small line of code. So you can, if you have 1 or 2 or 3 lines or 4 lines of code, you can use template. If your HTML is bigger, you can go for template URL. This is also advised by Angular team that if your template has more than 3 lines of code, it is better to use, it is preferable to use template URL. However, if you want, you can write 50 line, 100 line, 200 lines of code, as much as you want. There is no restriction on that. But this is advised by Angular core team. If your code grows more than 3 lines, use template URL. Now let me compare a few more points. Let me remove this one and type this. So what happens when you use template, you will not get intelligence. As you get intelligence here in this app.component, this is the HTML file, right? So see, you are getting this intelligence, but this intelligence, you will not get it here. This will reduce your productivity also. And your component, this component will look ugly, because see, at this point of time, we have only 3 or 4 lines of code. Let's assume that we have 100 lines of code. Your component will look ugly in that case. So the difference between template and template URL is that in template, you will write your HTML in the component itself. However, in the case of template URL, you will write your HTML in a separate file, and you will give path of that file in a component, as we saw now. Now let me compare a few more things. Can we use this template multiple times like this? So let me just copy and paste and see what happens. See, when I am trying to put it here, just copy and paste, it is giving us error. See, the object literal cannot have multiple properties with the same name in a strict mode. So we cannot use multiple templates. So let me remove this file, because we are not talking about this one. So let's remove it. Can we use template and template URL in the same file like this? Template URL, and then give path of that file. So let's try and see what is happening. Just save this file. See, compiled successfully. When you come to the URL, you will see that hello world my tutorial. And if you see this one, hello world my tutorial, this is coming from this file, appcomponent.html. If you come here, you will see that it is coming from here. If we use template and the template URL, the template URL will be preferred. So what we see here, that we can use template and the template URL in the component, but if we have template URL will be preferred. So as you can see, we have hello world here, and we have hello world example mytutorial.com that is being displayed here. Now let me see what is happening if I put this template URL below, and let's see the output. So I save this file, just come back here, and you can see that even if I put it down or up, it is taking from app component from here only. So that's it for template and template URL. If you really like this video, please provide your constructive comment in the comment box, or even if you have any question or doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you so much.